We're back once again, as per usual. Joined by, say your name. Oh, the one and only. And this is the deck I'm running. I crafted this. I woke up in the morning, rubbed my eyeballs, and I'm like, oh snap, it's a new season. And the furnace is busted. So, and the new empress is insane. So I was like, got my mega mind, my mega mind brain, bro. Huge forehead, 8 head, and I crafted this up. And now we're playing it on ladder. Let's get right into it. And I also got the new emote. I got the new emote. See how fire it is? It's a furnace. It's the new furnace, if you guys didn't notice. Go with the cheeky ice spirit on the bridge. Okay, now I need to lock in because your boy is obviously the best stop. Yee! Okay, that I did not realize I was gonna kite that, and I wasted a night. It's obviously just because I'm so just like insane at this game. One more fire spirit. Yes. So good. Wait, we actually go like best mortar player. We already know we misplaced the mortar off rip. But the player doesn't know that. See, they still think that the mortar's in. Now he noticed. He emoted me too. But look how much damage we got on this tower from the empress. Obviously, the upper echelon of skill here at tilts. Does this like counter this well? Probably not. Just gonna error that. I think if you time it right, it should, but you know, we can go with an aggressive empress here just to clean that up. Get that off my field. We can just go like this with an ice spirit. And then that should also kill that. And I might just go in with mortar here. Okay, that's fine. Look, we got the Evo furnace down. We got double elixir saving our life left lane. He just absolutely destroyed everything right there. Just gonna go Empress right here. Just gonna go Ice Wizard for that. Such a not bad play by him. We're just gonna perfectly time an Ice Spirit here. Nice. Wait, but the Empress, look at the Empress. That's gonna be one connection, but that's fine. We arrow that. Oh my god, it locked. Oh my god, she's insane. And now we're just like posted up over here. We can just go guards on top of this. She can't even kill them. The Empress, we didn't get a single mortar connection. The Empress literally single-handedly won us the game. She's insane. Like the buff she got is literally nuts. Little box here. Oh yeah, 63-day streak. That's commitment right there. 63-day streak on Clash Royale. We're in the darkness, by the way, if you guys couldn't tell. Hopping right into another one. Pereira. How do you know what deck he's playing? Okay, joy to the world. This guy went P.E.K.K.A first play. Started up with the defensive mortar. Nah, I don't think that's a good play. Wait, I'm kind of a moron. Never mind, I'm the best player in the game. We make no mistakes here. Never mind, I'm a moron. And look at my left lane. Is it though? The Bloblin machine, bro. Really? Does the Ice Wizard even stop that? Because I feel like the Rocket just like two taps it. What does he have for this? Obvious question. Loki might just go in here because he has to commit something stupid. This is already no bueno, bro. This is about to be so chalked. I think if I arrow, does that kill that? It definitely does. Spawn one more. You don't love me. Oh wait, it did spawn one more. Oh my god, what a defense. Empress is fantabulous for this matchup. If this guy is lightning, I'm literally gonna cry myself to sleep. Guards on the bridge. Another mortar down. Arrows. Oh my god, look at the DPS. It's a cheeky lock. Go knight. Let's do that have to clean those up. Going with Empress in the back. He might go in opposite lane. Never mind, he's going in same lane. It got really dark in here. We got the blue lighting now. I'm like kind of leaking, bro. I'm like kind of throwing. Oh my god. Jesus. Double fire spirits, bro. Oh my god, I hit the tower. We need to get the Empress down. Look at the damage. Oh my god. Yo, they're just destroying him. The Goblin Machine's already dead. Let's go Knight for this. A lock on the tower? Oh my god, I locked on the tower. That's game. The Empress is insane. She's so good. Yo, this is actually crazy. We destroyed the no-skill player. Let's go. The buff, like, she's so good. Slowly just turning into an Empress video. It's not even about the furnace. Three for three to get into Masters 3? Oh. Oh. Frank the Tank? More like Frank about to get spanked. Am I right? Oh. Oh my god, I did not. Oh, he is the... Yo, they actually... they like reworked this or nerfed it or whatever. The bro. Stop. Oh, I thought he was going to splash my tower, I'm not even going to lie. Yeah, the Cannoneer got, like, semi-buffed, I guess. I'm not sure. But, like, basically, like... Oh, Dark Goblin, be arrow that. Like, he shoots, like, way faster now. I don't think so. It's alright, though. It's alright, it's alright. We're chilling. We're We're cycling to our we're slowly cycling to our the cards we need. You know what I mean? We're slowly getting our evos and all this nonsense. Oh, I really wanted to go like. Does that stop all that? Loki, it might just. Oh wait, the fire spirit. Oh my god, the fire spirit's so clutch. He messed up. Since okay, so basically the prince jumped over the bridge there, so it insta locked on the tower. Because technically the card's airborne and mortar does not target air. Yep. Masterclass here. Yeah, I was kind of feeling this guy was going to go something stupid on my bridge. I'm about to just arrow those. I'm going to go in here. We arrow that. We go Ice Spirit for his Dark Goblin. I think he just gave up. Never mind. I don't know why he would just like let that like attack his tower. We just go in with the furnace here. Actually, this is I heard this counters this. Not nearly as well as I thought it did. Okay. Just arrow all that. We might just be able to go in right here. What is that, bro? It's on my tower. No, rope. Wait for this to walk up. No, we're not going to be able to get a connection. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. The fadeaway, bro. Oh my god. That is insane. Let's go, bro. We got four. We went 4 for 4. Did we? I thought we played 4 games. Am I tripping? Oh, we did play 3 games. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. That's what's up. Like the video. Subscribe. For more insane, obviously high elo gameplay right here. And yeah. See ya.